So 2 days ago, some anonymous Reddit user started a thread claiming he had spent 20 minutes with a very close to production Galaxy S9 and asked for questions about his experience with the phone. He interacted with the questions he got with 70 plus replies over the course of 12 hours. He then deleted everything he posted, probably to further protect his identity. Let's see what he said about the phone. Remember when everybody was worried about Samsung's adding more side bezel to the S9? Well, if this guy's claim is legit, then it's pretty much confirmed that the S9 will look almost identical to the S8. Probably with thinner bottom bezel, but for him he noticed almost no difference, so no need to worry. Once again, I was really so surprised at the fact that it looked like I was holding an S8. It's really that similar. He also confirmed the stereo speakers feature with the S9, with two speakers. One of them will be in the earpiece and the other will be on the bottom. He said that the sound is a major improvement over the S8. The camera offers dramatically improved photo quality as well as 4K video support at higher frame rates. However, he said that the 1000 frames per second slow motion is not supported. Keep in mind that the unit we're talking about here is only a very close to production unit, and that the retail unit might offer 1000 FPS slow motion video recording. And lastly, he spoke of the 3D emoji feature. He said it's not a one-to-one copy of Apple's Emoji, but it's offering slightly different user experience, better in some ways and worse in others. They're not a direct rip-off of an emoji, more like a mix between an emoji and Bitmoji. You create an avatar and can control its facial features, similar to an Animoji. In my opinion, it looks less polished than Apple's version. They are similar but different things. If they are worth the hype or not is another question. Personally, I don't care at all about Apple's Animoji, and I also don't care about Samsung's avatar thingies. So that wraps it up. Are you satisfied with this news? Please post your opinion in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to watch my video on the Samsung Galaxy S9 camera teasers. They are really exciting. And as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.